Skyscrapers by Ali Almaina, Mason Hamilton, and Hugo Bustamante. Did you know that even though New York is a famous city for having tall buildings, the first skyscraper ever built was in Chicago? The first skyscraper was a home insurance building, built in 1884 and demolished in 1931. It was 42 meters tall and it had 10 floors and was built for offices. Then began the race to build the tallest buildings you'd ever see. The skyscraper started a new revolution in human life. Now, they are sometimes hundreds of meters. Sometimes they touch the clouds. They can resist powerful winds and the constant force of gravity. But how did it come to such an unfathomable idea? For building a skyscraper, there were many prerequisites such as needs, resources, and values. First, they needed a place for many departments, such as offices, shops, restaurants, hotels, and houses in the center of the city, without taking up much land. If they made all these places separately on their land, it would cost too much to build and to buy, and many people who need homes cannot live in the city, where most of the area became part of the city. They solved this problem by creating skyscrapers, which has places stacking up on each other on the center of the city, so it would create many places in home, taking up space of only one department. Next, people used resources to help them build the skyscraper. The first resource is steel. Since it's durable, robust, and fireproof, it's used to make a steel frame for the building and for the horizontal and vertical columns, which support the entire building. They also needed a way of getting up and down the building without going up many flights of stairs. The elevator was a solution to this problem, since it moved between floors without people having to do any work. The skyscraper weren't built before 1884, or anything like that, because at that time, electric elevators with great speed were invented. So, people wouldn't be climbing a lot of stairs to get somewhere back and forth. Also, they needed concrete, because it was a strong material and could withstand fire. This was used to build a strong foundation and fill in the structure. Finally, what was mostly valued by the people who planned the skyscrapers was taking less to travel to work or other places. They valued this because the cities were big and they had to take a long time to go to work when it was far away from them. Also, the land was expensive in the city. Using a little amount of money on a project was still highly valued. People solved this by creating skyscrapers, which had many homes in other places such as works, shops, restaurants, hotels, and homes on top of each other. So people who live in the skyscraper could go a few floors down or up to get to places. The amount of land use would be small. Once again, this is a Prezi about skyscrapers by Ali Almaina, Mason Hamilton, and Hugo Bustamante. Thank you for watching.